ka Tnat Pulit ka is ka sales kat badang khmibnya ya ka jinglong jingman hai Ichamati ha ka baidai ba ka jingja ka baja ha ka me jong ka apnyo trik luber arjar psaw ya ka bakila yo bantam ya ka met yap jong arngut ki barjala bat ki bashim ba ka dangdon ka jingshong sier ya menta klanang Pynkhlaiñ ki bor para bat ru ban Pynkhlaiñ ya ka jingtokit ya ka ba ki laong ba omslam ba kinlab ik Donkti ki arngut ki barjala ki blasha penyap ki dei ki balai thu kerteng kum isan sing bat usujet duta bat ya kamet yap jengki lalap na Ichamati bat kawaipat kamet na dalda kuman supentip ya kamet yap jengki te ki arngut lalap hadien bawai ka rally persya citizenship amendment act arjar kat khandai balapen long da ka sengkhasi student union KSU Henen ke jenmit hi mari yo jingtep alo kan ke jingja ka Tnat Pulit kladep ban hukum ya boro ki fil unit bakin Pynkhlaiñ ha ka Pahara bat banra lang ya ki riot gear tendong ler pensak khamat ki lathi ki shil bat kiwe bat ru ban patha ba ki dai ban le dak bating e ya ki nong pun kulmar snong namar ki Shem bala da khinsting kani ke jingja kala ban lam sha ka jingya snam pher jai pen riu ha ka jing kran bo SP ka is ka sales ritu raj ravi ha kar pratrik luber arjar pusaw lapen tep ban ka liang ka Tnat Pulit kal nang Pynkhlaiñ ki bor para bat ru ban Shem ya ka yarap na kiwei pat ki kunhun ban pha sha ka te ka chaka khnang ban te lakam ya ka jinglong jingman hapo ka te ka thain bro ko wei ha ka ju opor la pente ba preng ka jing toket ka dang ya ki Pulit ki batoket ki lasdang ban lap sa ya ki brio ki bale ya ka te ka kam
yesterday at around 6 p.m. Our team there they received information from members of public that one dead body was spotted around 100 meters away from Ichamati Bazaar on the roadside. On the basis of that information, our people rushed there and they started investigating the matter. While they were there and they were investigating into that particular death, they received another information that said that around 4 kilometers from there towards Molang near Dalda, another dead body was found again on the roadside, appeared to be murdered. So that is the incident that the two incidents that happened yesterday. Two bodies were found suspected to be murdered. Postmortem, we are still awaiting the postmortem. The bodies were shifted to Shillong Mail hospital last night itself. After our FSL team, after our crime scene unit team, they have done their initial investigation part there. After that, we shifted the two bodies to civil hospital morgue. Latest on two aspects. One, that we upon receipt of the information last evening itself, we have started the investigation into the matter, what exactly happened, who are the perpetrators, and the cause and the entire background behind the incident. That is one part. Second part, we are maintaining highest vigil. We have beefed up security in all areas so that no untoward incident or there is no breakdown of any kind of peace or law and order in the city and in the entire district. We are investigating from all angles, ma'am, and once we get any confirmations, we will release information on that. No arrest so far. Based on our assessment and to maintain highest level of vigil and to ensure that peace and law and order is maintained throughout the district, we are deploying maximum of the force that we have, and we have also got support from other forces.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi bana kita ka don ka we ka jing mantoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F manta ka sngi
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya